हेलो फ्रेंड्स। सो इन टुडेज टेक्नो फंडा एनालिसिस वीडियो हम एक लार्ज कैप फार्मा कंपनी की बात करेंगे जो कि ऑलरेडी ब्रेकआउट दे चुका है एंड आफ्टर दैट ब्रेकआउट हिट एट रैलीड ऑलमोस्ट 8 to 9%। एंड अभी वो रिटेस्ट कर रहा है टू दैट ब्रेकआउट रीजन। सो बेसिकली इट इज गिविंग अ लो रिस्क बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म traders. And let's start with the technical analysis of this of the stock. So the stock name is Lupin, and from March last year, the stock had given a decent rally. So if we check the returns that the stock had given is around 151 percentage in last 15 months, and this was the uptrend. And now it is forming a cup and handle. अभी ये cup and handle pattern बना रहा है, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. This is cup and this is handle. And the thing about this cup and handle is this is formed after an uptrend, and this is basically a sideways or a consolidation phase. And जब भी ये breakout आता है तभी the stock continues its upward journey. So जैसे कि अभी आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे इसने breakout दे दिया है इस कैंडल पे, and ये breakout देने के बाद it had almost given a return of around, I will just yeah. सो अराउंड 13% का रिटर्न इसने दे चुका था, मतलब 8 to 9 तो बहुत कम बोला था मैंने, 13% का रिटर्न दे चुका था. एंड एट दिस ब्रेकआउट रीजन आई हैव शेयर्ड द चार्ट ऑन ट्विटर एज वेल. सो अभी ये ब्रेकआउट दे चुका है एंड अभी इट इज रीटेस्टिंग दिस ब्रेकआउट रीजन. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट कैंडल वाज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड यहाँ पे जो वॉल्यूम्स है वो भी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. एंड अभी जब ये वो रिटेस्ट कर रहा है तब इसके वॉल्यूम्स जो है इज वेरी लेस, वॉल्यूम्स ड्राई डाउन हो गए पूरे. So basically जो buyers है they are trying to keep this stock above this resistance line which was 1123, and यहाँ से demand आके stock is getting a support near this level. So the trading plan in this Lupin stock will be कि a trader can add this at current price which is 1174, or one can add on dips as well. एंड द टारगेट फॉर दिस इज 1392. सो हमने इस टारगेट को रेंज कैलकुलेशन से कैलकुलेट किया था. सो बेसिकली आई एम जस्ट कैलकुलेटिंग द टारगेट राइट नाउ. सो जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं कि इसका टारगेट जो आ रहा है फर्स्ट इट इज 1392. सो इफ वी सी फ्रॉम द करंट प्राइस इटसेल्फ, then target is around 18 to 20% from current price. So which is very good in short term. And a positional trader can also watch this out, and the swing trader can also look this for short term. Apart from this, the stock is not trading at around its all-time high. All-time high level is about 2000. So a swing trader can hold for a target of 1392, but a positional trader, if this level breaks, then can hold this for a higher level as well, which is 1573 and 1747. So this level I have got from previous swing high, as you can see here. हमने previous swing high से इसका ऊपर के targets भी calculate किए, and the positional trader can hold this for higher levels as well. So the trading plan for a trader would be buying at CMP, and for stop loss, one can keep a stop loss at this particular candle low, which is 1045 currently. So 1045 will be stop loss for a short-term trader, and the target would be 1392, 1573, and 1747 in this particular stock for short-term. So let's check the fundamental analysis. So the company is large cap. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं इसका market cap is more than 50,000 crores, and इसका book value is 304, and possibly the price to book will be around 4x in this case. Then the profit and loss, and the company's profit, yes, revenue is more or less the same for around last 5 years, and also the net profit had, and यहाँ पे जो net profit है उसने अच्छा growth दिखाया in last 1 year. Basically from negative it became positive, and that too almost 1400 times more than the last year net profit. And also the company is paying dividend regularly. So now if we check the balance sheet, then the company's reserves is increasing and the borrowings is decreasing. As you can see here, यहाँ पे around 8,400 crores का debt था, and now it had reduced to around 3,000 crores, so which is very less. And company is fundamentally strong as well because the company reserves is more than borrowings. If you check the investors, then the promoter shareholding is more or less the same. ज़्यादा difference नहीं है from 47% to 46.84%. It is just 0.16% down. And apart from this, in FI's holding, यहाँ पे से जब भी FIs were decreasing their stake from 25 to 17.87%, but in June quarter, FIs had increased their stake by around 0.7%. And if we check the DIs, they are decreasing the stake in this particular stock. अभी हम promoter pledging देखेंगे तो इसमें there is no promoter pledging in this particular stock. There is zero pledge, and that means the company is fundamentally strong. Profitable है, company is paying dividend as well, borrowings कम है, and reserves is more. So company is fundamentally strong. And on the basis of technical analysis, the stock is giving low risk buying opportunity, which and a short-term trader can definitely look at this trading opportunity for their short to medium-term trade. So this is all about today's Technofunda analysis video. If you want us to cover any of the Technofunda analysis video on any stock, then आप comment section में बता सकते हैं. And also, if you have learned anything from this video, then you can hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more informative videos in the future. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you, guys.